Okay, we just stop to get some breakfast, guys. Here is the place bubur ayam, which is chicken porridge. Kamu? Bubur ayam.
Kamu minum apa? Kita makan.
So here is it. Porridge.
Ikan lah, ya ampun,
Soya bean, fried soya
makan ya
bean.
tidak?
Some
Kalau misalkan makan buburnya doang itu kelihatan kuahnya aja. Ya nggak apa-apa, nggak pakai kuah. Buburnya aja sama kerupuk. Iya.
Just made it here to waterfall called Air Terjun Kembang Soka. We leave around 6 a.m. with my flatmate, and this is the view around here, guys. So we have to walk down around like 15 minutes. There's no waterfall anymore, more like pool now. But yeah, it is nice. So, and last time I came here, I'm on my period. So this time I come here to swim. Bring our stuff now.
Mari.
So this is Mega. Mega is from Bangka, Fitri and Rai is from Bali. Art from Bali. There's a lot of chocolate cocoa tree, you call it? We call it chocolate tree. Okay, so this is the first pool pond. I don't know what you call it. There's another small one here, and we have to walk this way. So that is the big one down there. The small, and something up there. So this is the big pool, guys, or pond. I don't know what you call it. But yeah, it is, and it's 2.5 meters deep. Nice, that's why we come here. So this is all the people here now. And we can rent this life vest here. It's 10,000. Okay guys, so I showered already, and yeah, now I'm walking inside this forest. Yeah, inside this forest, guys, and the pool is right there, and there's a lot of cocoa trees. You call it cocoa chocolate trees. This, there, but why is the fruit is like black? It's dead? I don't know. We are walking back, and now there's so many people now. It is nice that we come here early in the morning because it's still quiet, but the water is so cool. Oh, there's like berry fruits. I don't know if we can eat this or not, but this is the pool here, and the one right there, it is so nice and clean, and that one is not that full because it's not that deep. It's pretty nice, guys. Okay guys, so this is Kembang Soka Waterfall and it is so nice. So if you're looking for a place that it is nice and also you can swim, I mean you can enjoy your time here, yeah, this is the place. So it's not only for picture, guys. And also there's another waterfall and also caves around here. So yeah, this place is definitely a place that you should visit while you come here in Yogyakarta. Okay guys, now we are going to have lunch here. This is close to the waterfall. And the place is unique. This is coffee place. Mega.
Udah lelah semuanya.
Guys, we just talking about like when we went there, everybody looks so happy and excited. But on the way back, look at their face. Me also.
So here what I got, only this vegetable cassava leaf. Mega got egg, Fitri also got egg, and Rai got fried rice. And all the rice is mine. This rice is mine. Before they are fighting that this is their rice. But actually it's mine.
Ya karena itu